Here he comes. Here he comes, thank goodness. Hello everyone. So it has been such a long time since we've done any kind of filming, and so today we've decided to come out, and it's raining, unfortunately. So where best to go where it's raining, when it's raining even, is Ikea. So we're all going to Ikea. I'm excited about that. Me and Daddy are anyway. We have Buddy in the back. He's just literally woken up. Here, Bud. You right, mate? Yeah, we're going to Ikea. Yay! Bless Indy. She's just been having a bit of car sick, but you'll be fine in a minute. So yeah, let's go and see what we can go and find, and hopefully buy as well. Remember, you can do these things.
Yeah.
Would you like to get in the pads and the pencil? I wasn't sure you were on your own. We're in Ikea.
We're not going to do this whole entire night.
No, but I'm going to do it a little bit. Hold your crisps then. I'm not holding the bag. So we're in Ikea. Everyone loves Ikea.
It's the bathroom.
Indy's found a toilet.
It was the same kind of thing.
Boo. Started putting the Christmas stuff up now.
Yay.
Yay!
And I saw the toilet.
A bit of funk.
Ow.
So guys, we're after a stand-up lamp today for our lounge. Kitchen.
A baby chair.
Wow. We have that, don't we? At home.
And a cooker. Things here. We do want to cook. These jars. Ooh, sugar.
Recognising things.
A plate.
So we have that dining set as well.
This really comes in a house.
And I like the blue, that colour blue as well, sofa-wise.
In the living room.
That's a cool light, isn't it? I like that light. Just makes you want to completely change around your whole house.
Mine's here.
Oh, cool. We have a mirror. Oh, we've got a bedroom in here.
Mama's baby room.
Yeah. Little bathroom going on in there as well.
Should I get in the shop? Should we leave Betty in there? Let's go back and get Betty.
Yeah.
It's not a real tablet. It's just a it's just wool.
Oh, it is. Oh no, it is a It
And
is.
coffee.
Yeah, it's actually that's quite a good idea and do that stand.
And some little cups.
I'm not a fan of these. I like paper.
No.
No, I don't like those.
Now where's my paper?
Is that a storage box?
Mommy, you have my paper.
Chair bed.
Okay.
Smart found. What have you found?
Can you? Can you not?
What's Cindy found? There you go, nice clean fitted sheet there. And what do you think, bed? What do you want? You want a bed? You want a toy? Oh, dear, I think I just recorded that as well. You don't realise there was glass there.
No.
Oh dear, what have we got? Some snakes. Meet the tiger. Meet the. Oh, I love the orangutan. I love orangutans. Oh, baby shark. Has he seen a shark? Oh yeah. Have you seen a shark? Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Smells nice.
Every now and again you'll see little signs saying that scent you can smell, finding fragrance apartment.
Oh really? Where is Indy? There she is. I'm so excited.
I got some food. What do you want
God,
for your
I'm excited
food?
for that. Where you gone? Come on. Indy. She's gone now.
I'm here.
Come on, monkey.
Can I go on piano now?
When you come to Ikea, it is an absolute must to have meatballs. Yeah. And kids have got fish and chips. Are you hungry, buddy?
baby.
Hungry,
Can
hungry.
you open this?
Yeah, I can.
Can I sweat it on?
Yeah.
Oh.
So little pandas come and join us as well. Is that nice, buddy? Yeah. So excited for mine. So hungry.
Mom, I'm excited.
Meatballs. Yeah. Why am I excited? Because I'm just so hungry.
I don't have any drink. That's sad.
Daddy's just about to get you some. We've got to take these. And Daddy's just getting our coffees.
I got mayonnaise and ketchup and the right food now.
And what do you think of Ikea, Indy?
Good.
You like it, don't you?
I like it. I wish I got my little panda.
You enjoying yours, buddy? Is it good, buddy? Yum, 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 yum.
And
Literally, a few minutes later, meatballs have gone.
no.
Do you enjoy that much?
Alright.
Are you enjoying yours? Buddy's doing so well.
Why?
You are as well.
I'm just gonna move my chicken.
Fish.
Fish.
Cheers, everyone.
I'm gonna nice cooked up now.
Buddy. 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 Buddy.
Okay.
Oh, good, good. That's good. Bread roll.
Yummy.
And we have finally picked out a new lamp for our lounge.
Bargain corner.
Another bargain corner. Bargain corner. Wow. We've come out. It's really dark. I don't know how long we've been in for. So we've finished for Ikea for the day, and it looks dark.
Do you remember?
I think we're in there for ages. We've had meatballs, which is the whole reason why we come to Ikea in the first place. Which way?
I did give it
I don't know. Yeah, we're going this way. 1 second, let me just cross this road. Thanks. So yeah, it's chucking it down with rain, but we have got everything we wanted and more. So successful. Watch out, the lights are on that car. Yeah, so it's raining, dark, but it's been good fun. So 3 of us are in the car and Mark's had to run back because we have left the lamp and shade on the till. So we've just realised, luckily we haven't set off, and we've realised as we were putting the things in the boot. I don't know how we managed that, considering that was the biggest thing that we were holding on the way around, but let's hope he comes back with a lamp. He's not too happy at the moment. We'll see if he manages to find it. How are we doing, kids? Are you okay? What is this weather? Raining.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing, Indy? What are you doing, Ind? Oh, I hope he comes back with the lamp. Honestly, if this is going to happen to anyone, it happens to us. Here he comes. Here he comes. Thank goodness. Oh, it was it's all right. It wasn't a wasted trip.
This is my best day of my life. It's like everywhere.
Every day's your best day of your life.
Yeah.
He's got it. Is he moody? Oh, that's
It's like putting this carpet down.
Right, no worries. Here's the lampshade.
Lampshade. There's the car. Dad,
So annoying.
That was annoying. Was it where you left it?
The woman said, that's the guy. That's the guy, to the security guy. Sorry, can I just check your receipt, please? Luckily I had it.
She knew it was the guy. So
She's like, that's the guy, and he went, can I just check your receipt? So he gave me a little tick and ticked off the
we did buy the lamp.
items.
Wow.
Fun, isn't it?
We got what we wanted today, didn't we, Daddy?
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
I don't know whether I should call you Daddy.
Not really. My name's Mark. Mark to you, anyway.
Yeah.
Or Marcus Maximus Mauritius to the rest of you guys. Fit fam, let's go home.
Yes, that was
let's go home.
good workout as you've seen today, walking around Ikea, burning off some calories, and then finishing with some Swedish meatballs.
I love balls. Swedish meatballs.
So where are we off to now?
Home.
Really?
Well,
I don't know. Oh yeah, we don't need to, do we? We've eaten it.
isn't it?
We're doing fine. Okay, this is the lovely British weather. Welcome to November.
So this is a boring weather, so we go home.
Where's your coats?
Where's your coat, silly? Where's your coat, eh? He's got
Have you remembered everything, guys? Because you have to go back in.
They don't like you going back. That's the guy.
That's the guy.
That's the guy.
That's the guy.
Thank goodness for that. I would have been so upset. Do you like the colour of this? What do we think?
Not that bad.
Looking forward to putting it up actually. And trying out our egg slicer. Might have to make some eggs just for a while.
Just talking to yourself.
So Indy, would you like to show everybody what you bought today?
A panda.
Panda.
It smacks your face.
What did you get, buddy?
But it gets nothing.
Oh. You had fish and chips, didn't you, babe?
Get off on bother, man. Really feeling it.
About nothing and everything all at once.
I am one of those.
So no one told you life was gonna be this way. All the small things, true care.